Jingzhou, located in the central and southern part of Hubei province and the hinterland of Jianghan Plain, is an important port and transportation hub in the middle reaches of the Yangtze River. Following the Yangtze River, 476 kilometers down to Wuhan, 1 plus 603 km to Shanghai, 148 kilometers up to Yichang, 796 kilometers to Chongqing, north of Xianfan, Jinmen and other cities, south of Huda River through Hunanshan, capital, Yuan, Leaf for water, and Shanbei several counties. After decades of development, Jingzhou Port has become the third largest port in Hubei province. With natural coastline length 21.5 kilometers, pier length 5.83 kilometers, 104 berths, warehouse area of 173,658 square meters, 044 yard area of 406 square meters, with 306 sets of port machinery, the maximum lifting capacity of 45 tons. Container loading and unloading unability, port through capacity of 8.23 million tons, 1.31 million person time, Jingzhou Port throughput of 3.27 million tons in 2000. Jiangling Economic Development Zone, Jiangling Port Area, Jingzhou Port, started construction in May 2018. It has entered the stage of equipment installation and commissioning, and is expected to be officially put into operation in June. Jiangling Economic Development Zone Comprehensive Wharf is a Yangtze River deep-water wharf with a total length of 440 meters. It has 2 parts berths and 2 bulk berths of 3,000 tons for both 5,000-ton cargo ships, with a total investment of 350 million yuan. Nanjing Deers provided 260 sets of arch fender for Jingzhou Jiangling Port Wharf. Arch fenders are very popular and have an improved energy reaction force. A very practical solution where mounting space is limited. Each fender may be equipped with an embedded steel plate, which allows a low-friction P-rubbing plate to be fitted. We have arch fenders from the height range SA200 to SA1000. The length could be 1 meter, 1.5 meters, 2 meters, 2.5, and 3 meters as you request. The material is natural rubber. We will also send the performance of energy absorption and reaction force data form upon your request. The fender is made by our standard mold, but the installation hole could be moved a little to suit your installation site. We also have the arch rubber bumper installation bolt for your choice. You can just order the fender, we will let you know right size bolt, washer, and nut.